In this episode of Bizarre Bites, I try eating snake in Guangzhou, China. In China, eating snakes has a long history, linked to both cuisine and traditional medicine. Snake meat is believed to have health benefits, such as improving circulation and treating arthritis. It's especially popular in southern regions like Guangdong and Guangxi. Popular dishes are snake soup, fried snake, and even snake wine. Snake soup is a Cantonese delicacy made with snake meat, chicken, and different herbs. However, eating snakes raises ethical and health concerns, especially after COVID-19. Some species are protected, and proper cooking is crucial to avoid health risks. Today, the practice is less common, especially among younger generations, and regulations on wildlife consumption have become a lot stricter since COVID.
So we are here at a restaurant that has snake as their specialty, and I've never eaten snake in my entire life, not to my knowledge anyway. And here we have snake, and I'm going to eat it for the first time and let you know how it is. It's delicious. It's so good. It's got like a, I don't know, maybe the sauce is really good too, but the flavor is unbelievable. And I hate snakes, so I really enjoy brutally eating them and killing them. It's really good. It looks like a fish, like you're eating fish, right? Yeah. With all the bones.
Just ate from here. Very good.
Good? That's all the meat?
No, but here too, everywhere.
Cool. What do snakes do?
Slither.
Yeah, slither.
That's a new word. How to spell it?
S-L-I-T-H-E-R.
S. How can I make it? S.